My name is Autumn Peltry and I'm from Wukumakonga, Manitoulin Island.
The water is a precious resource that sustains all life. As young people, we are inheriting this land, these communities, and this is our future.
The message is strong when it's coming from more than one person, and if we work together, we can make a change. It could be a stronger message.
I've been hearing all over that we only have 12 years left because of the impacts of climate change. Then I hear we have 20 years left if we don't do anything now. What kind of future do we have? In 12 years, I'll be only 26. My inspiration for this work is no longer here, and she passed away doing this work. Her last words to me were to not stop loving the water and to keep doing the work. She was 77 when she passed away. I hope I'm not still standing here trying to advocate for clean water when I'm 77.
Anyone could do the work I'm doing, and everyone's opinion matters.